Alright folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 529. Final destination of that train is San Jose Deardown Station. This is it, y'all. Here she comes. Trains are going very slowly right now due to a broken arms on the signal on the crossing right now. So trains are going very slow and cautions at this time due to a broken arm at 98th Avenue. So these trains gonna be a little bit delayed due to this mess. A semi truck trying to beat the crossing. This is 2123 or 2124. SC44 Seabird Churches, of course, 2124 leading on this one. San Joaquin River, Monterey Bay, Napa Valley, 6963 Point Reyes. That's another dead bird on Point Reyes in the back of the train. So anyways, there go that train, folks, to San Jose. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.